Okay, so you've created a circle on Spect. Now what? The first thing you do is invite other circle members. You can do so by generating a link and sharing that link, or you can do so by mapping your Discord roles and letting them join by themselves. As a contributor, you can join the circle by pasting the invite link. Next, you can create work streams or projects. Work streams are built in such a way that it can go as deep or as wide as needed. What I mean by that is here you have a work stream on the parent circle and you can create more work streams within it. This can go n levels deep and each work stream has their own set of integrations. So their own set of Discord, GitHub, and Gnosis Safe integrations. What this allows is for a DAO to be very scalable over the long run. Next, you can create a project. Currently, we have 3 templates already with more on the way. For this demo, I'll create a basic Kanban board. Here you're greeted with the familiar columns to do, in progress, in review, and done. One cool thing about Spect is you can set up your workflows the way you want. You can change the name of existing columns, and you can add or delete columns. Next, let's create a task. On this task, we can add labels and add a description. Also set priority and add a deadline if you want to. Once we've created the task, we can actually have some sort of discourse about this task using comments. This can be done here or using Discord. The next thing that's possible is you can create subtasks. And you can also set multiple assignees and reviewers. You also have this activity area to keep track of everything that's been done on this task. Next, I'll show you how submission works on Spect. So on Spect, you can actually create a submission thread. And you can actually have Things like revision instructions on this thread. Or let's say there are multiple assignees. What you could do is you could even have multiple threads for the same task. This makes it possible for multiple people to be working on the same task, and at the same time, each submission thread having its own space for both the submission itself and revision instructions. Once everything is done about on this task and you're happy with what's been accomplished, you can move the task from in review to done. Next, you will create a bounty on Spect.